Good morning, beautiful soul. Today is a fresh start, a new opportunity to create joy, success, and peace. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you listen to these affirmations, repeat them aloud or in your mind. Let them shape your thoughts and set the tone for a powerful day ahead.
Today is a gift, and I welcome it with gratitude. I am filled with energy, motivation, and purpose. I choose to focus on the good in my life. I radiate confidence, kindness, and positivity. My mind is clear, and my heart is open. I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. I attract success and abundance effortlessly. I release all negativity and embrace peace. I am worthy of love, happiness, and success. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. I trust the journey of my life. I am surrounded by positive and supportive people. I am strong, resilient, and unstoppable. I choose to be present and enjoy each moment. I believe in myself and my abilities. My dreams are valid, and I am taking steps to achieve them. I am grateful for this new day and all it will bring. I send love and positivity to myself and others. Everything is working out for my highest. Take another deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And slowly exhale. Feel the energy of these affirmations flowing through you. Today is yours to create. Go forward with confidence, joy, and peace. Thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day ahead.